My name is Zach, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 things you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. So most likely you're sitting there asking yourself, well, why would I be doing this and what's in it for me? Well, oftentimes in the world of the internet, most local business owners are too busy running their business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. And sometimes the only hesitation they have to hiring someone is they don't know who is an expert and who isn't. Well, I found by giving people a free 3-step blueprint of actual things that they can do to impact their business today has resulted in some of those local business owners stepping back and asking me to help them further. So if by the end of this video you've liked what you heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that can help your business with gaining new clients, shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if at the end of this video you simply want to take this 3-step plan I gave you and do it for yourself, that works for me too. I just like having the opportunity to help out businesses. So now let me show you those 3 things I was talking about, and they will set your company above your competition. I don't want to waste any more of your time, so let's get going. So the first thing I want to talk about is content. Hey Dr. Kettner, my name is Zach, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 things you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. Now most likely you're sitting there asking yourself, why would I be doing this and what's in it for me? Well, oftentimes in the world of the internet, most local business owners are too busy running their business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. And sometimes the only hesitation they have to hiring someone is they don't know who is an expert and who isn't. Well, I found by giving people a 3-step blueprint of actual things they can do to impact their business for free has resulted in some of those local business owners still raising their hands and asking me to help them out as well. So if by the end of this video you've liked what you heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that can help your business gain new clients, shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if at the end of this video you simply want to take these few steps and apply them yourself, I'm fine with that too. I really enjoy being able to help people out with their businesses. So now let me show you 3 things that will set your company above your competition and not waste any more of your time. So the first thing I want to go over is content. And what I mean by content is you can go to your homepage here, and anything I can highlight here, Google considers as content whenever someone searches for your website or searches keywords pertaining to the industry that you're in. And Google likes to see about 1,500 words worth of content, as well as those words being dense with keywords that relate to your specific industry. I'm going to take you to this free app that I have named SEO Quake, and it's looking like you're running about 501 words on your website right now. So that's about 1,000 words short of where you need to be. And we want to go take a look at another app called Ahrefs, and you have 8 organic keywords. So that number right there is really, really short on where it needs to be. You need to at least be in the 1 to 200 range, and that number goes up as you get more content on your page. So that being said, I want to go take a look at your competition's website, and we're going to start off with Allied Chiropractic and Massage. So you can see here they have more videos, plugins, and stuff that's going to offer more content to Google on their home page. And as a matter of fact, they're running close to 1,400 words, and they have 262 organic keywords. So this is a number that would be easy for us to catch up to. It's just going to take some time and effort to make sure that we're really pinning the correct keywords that we need for your industry. And moving on, I want to take a look at the traffic comparison between your site and their site. So you can see they're pulling in 189 unique visits per month on their website, whereas y'all are only pulling in 1 right now. And that's got a lot to do with the content and the organic keywords that we're talking about. But I want to go to the next 2 things that are also affecting this organic traffic number. So the next thing I want to talk about are citations in the Google Map Pack. So if I Google chiropractor, Waco, Texas, I can scroll down here. You see I found Allied Chiropractic right here. They're the closest to the top behind the joint whenever it comes to what we call the organic search. And the next thing, like I was referring to a minute ago, is the Google Map Pack. Well, the first one here is Cast Chiropractic, and the way that they're able to obtain this spot is through something called citations. Well, I ran citations on your website versus the other 2 competitors, and Cast is actually running 60 citations to your 31 and Allied Chiropractic's 23. So that's why they're popping up first in that Google Map Pack right now. And we really just want to optimize the amount of citations that you have so we can bump you up to that number 1 spot on the Google Map Pack, and then optimize your content so we can bump you up to the number 1 spot organically. That being said, the next thing I want to touch on are called backlinks. So I'm going to look at your website here, this analysis. It's saying that you have close to 6,000 backlinks, which is a really high number, but you only have 4 referring domains. And what that tells me is that at one point or another, y'all were signed up for backlinks that Google considers as spam. So there's not a lot of different websites that the backlinks are coming from, but there's a ton of backlinks that are just pounding into your website all day long. And Google docks you for that, and they move you down the list as far as being the first company searched for. Now we're going to move over here to Allied, and they're running 24 backlinks with 13 referring domains. So their ratio is about 2 to 1 on the backlinks to domains, which is a good ratio to have. It's because that tells me that their backlinks are going to be more high quality and more specific to y'all's industry. Well, in closing, I want to touch on the 3 things that we talked about today. Number 1 was the content. You want 1,500 words on your home page, dense in keywords that are specific to your niche, which is chiropractic. Number 2 were the citations. So your citations are going to be what pushes you up to the top of the Google Map pack whenever people search for a chiropractor in Waco, Texas. And number 3 were the backlinks. You want to have good, high-quality backlinks with about half as many referring domains as backlinks in order to optimize your website and be pushed to the top on organic. That being said, if you like what you heard today, feel free to reach out to me at 903-715-7876. I'd love to sit down, talk to you, kind of hear what your goals are for the business and kind of see where you would want to head with doing something like this as far as search engine optimization goes in your website. Once again, my name is Zach. Just call me at 903-715-7876. I appreciate you taking the time to listen and watch this video. Thanks. Bye.